So I have a little map of Eugene and Springfield urban growth boundary and some school point data, and I wanted to make a map of this. Oops. All right, so what I want to do here is just zoom to that layer. So there we go. So I'm working in layout view. That's what I want to show, but if somebody doesn't know where Oregon is, it would be really nice for them to have an inset map. So, or know where this is in Oregon. So I'm going to insert a new data frame. And my data frame is associated with the empty data in the table of contents. So I'm going to grab the bounding box here, and I'm just going to put that right there. I don't want that dot, that school dot, to show through. So I'm going to find out what the color is for my county background. 201, 242, 208. Okay. And I'm going to set that background color the same. The tricky thing is I have to pick something first, and now I can go in and 201, 242, 208. So I'm just matching the RGB color scheme. So now my data frame matches that map. So now I'm going to put this Oregon polygon into my data frame and make that a much more complementary color. And also I have to change that projection because that is a definite lose points projection. So that is an unprojected coordinate system, and I'm going to go choose a projection that's correct for Oregon. You guys all looked that up on one of the labs. So there's Oregon. I'm going to choose that one. There we go. So I've got my nice inset map with Oregon, and actually I could zoom in. So let's see, that's at 14 million. Let's do 14 million even and see if that changes enough. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let's do try 12. That looks good. Okay, so I got that, and I've created an inset map. Now, one other thing, it would be really nice to kind of show where this is in Oregon. So I'm going to go back to Data View, and I'm going to click on Lane County. And now that Lane County is selected, I can look at that in my attribute table and see that I have one layer selected. So I'm going to export the data, and this is only going to export the data layer that's selected. And I have to go put this inside my final project folder and inside the data folder, and I'm going to call it Lane County. Choose OK, OK, and add it to the map. And then I think I will make that a nice dark brown and unselect it and go back to my layout view. And now that area shows up. I tried copying the Eugene Springfield UGB, but it was so small you couldn't really see it. So nice little easy inset.